Hi everyone, this is ML Chaudhary, lab coach, entrepreneur, motivational speaker. Friends, I am incredibly blessed to be where I am in my lab today. And today in this video I am going to talk to you on the process of achievement in life. Friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like button for new updates. For success in any business, proper planning, implementation and action is required. One important key to success is self-confidence. One must have firm belief in oneself and be passionate about your business, because if you are not excited about doing a certain thing, you will never be able to deliver outstanding result. If you are forced to perform a task that you do not like, you will seldom achieve positive results. Success doesn't happen by chance. It requires a strong belief, tremendous grit, determination and dedication on your part. Every achievement follows a certain process. It gets initiated with desires and dreams. Why do some people succeed while others don't? This is one question that is constantly there at the back of the mind of every person who wants to succeed. The most important fact is that achievers are dreamers. Their desires are extremely strong. All great visionaries were great dreamers. Dreams are nothing but the vision of one's future. Nothing can be achieved if it is not conceived first in the mind. Dreams are nothing but the vision of one's future. Dreams become the purpose or why of our achievement. Unless the purpose is strong, any kind of achievement in life is difficult. In other words, the how of an achievement cannot happen without the why. Trying to achieve something without an intense desire, a specific dream or a clear purpose will be like driving a car without knowing where to go. Your dreams come true is directly proportional to the intensity of your desire. If a dream doesn't excite you, then it cannot be your dream. It is therefore advised that you must have an emotional value attached to your dreams. You will have to redefine your dreams and find the ones that excite you the most. You need to find a dream that excites you and never let anyone steal your dream. So define your dreams. Find out what do you hope to achieve in life. What is your real purpose? What kind of lifestyle do you desire? What is your target? What are your life objectives? What are you going to be focusing on? Find out. Friends, success can be defined as the progressive realization of a worthwhile goal. Any person without a vision, without a dream will perish. So, for success in life, one must have a clear and specific purpose. Thank you very much. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like button. Thank you.